The man there says he has absolutely no idea who that man is altogether. He has no links there. He will fight this case out. Let me now shift our focus to Balasore. We're looking at the Odisha case where a girl who self-immolated died. She killed herself after her professor sexually abused her. She, in fact, was battling for life after 90% burns. Unfortunately, a day ago, she died. Now, you're looking at statewide protests erupting in Odisha, where after the 20-year-old B.Ed student succumbed to her injuries at AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Her death has sparked huge outrage and anger and political heat. These are visuals that came in through the day today. The ruling BJD has, in fact, called for a dawn to dusk bandh in Balasore. In fact, BJD at this point, apologies there, is the opposition. BJD has called for a dawn to dusk in Balasore with shops, markets and institutions shutting down in solidarity. Demonstrations have spread to states, capital as well. We saw the capital simmering, protesters marching to Lok Seva Bhavan demanding justice. The girl was a student at Fakir Mohan Autonomous College. She had named the head of the education department, Professor Samir Kumar Sahu. In a written complaint that she submitted on July 1st, she addressed it to the principal, claiming that she's been sexually harassed by the professor, but there was no reprieve. In fact, what we hear is that the institution asked her to cancel her complaint, withdraw the complaint. If not, she could face threat of being dismissed or debarred from the college. They pretended to do an internal investigation to check if those allegations were true, but they gave that professor a clean chit. So here's an institution where the girl actually wrote to the principal saying the professor is sexually harassing me, but the institution gave a clean chit to the professor and insisted that the girl withdraw her complaint. If not, she'll be debarred from the institution. And after that, she set herself on fire outside the principal's office because she got no help. Her family now is, of course, crying murder. They say this is not suicide, this is murder. The institution has murdered her with their inaction. Her father and brother allege that this was a planned crime. They say that the institution, of course, must be shut, but they want justice. She suffered 95% burns, fought for nearly 60 hours before breathing her last on Monday. And here you have the entire state erupted. Now, UGC has formed a 4-member fact-finding committee to probe the harassment charges, to check whether the college followed due procedure and recommend measures to ensure no student is ever left unheard again. Of course, the BJP government in Odisha facing a lot of heat over this very case.
सब लोग मिल के मेरे बेटी को मरने के लिए फोर्स किया। वो क्या मर्डर नहीं है? मुझे तो लगता है कि ये एक साजिश है इन लोगों को। वो आवाज़ उठाता था कॉलेज में, इधर अन्याय होता था, गलती होता था, इसके बारे में कहता था, इसलिए इन लोगों को पसंद नहीं आया। सोचे समझे करके एक एक मिलके बाद में सब लोग मिलके मेरे बेटी को फोर्स किया, अटेम्प्ट टू सुइसाइड करने के लिए उन लोगों ने मुझे फोर्स किया। आप बताइए, प्रिंसिपल के रूम से निकल के वो सुइसाइड अटेम्प्ट रहता है, क्यों? कुछ तो होगा अंदर।